Now, when it comes to percentage of loss, loss is how much you lost under and below your cost, and it can be expressed as an amount or as a percentage of your cost. And again, in real life, people don't usually look for the percentage so much as just the amount itself. Now with our profit formula, we had a little thing called made over paid. I have one similar now here for loss called loss over cost. The amount of money you lost on the sale, and then we're going to divide that into the total cost to get the property to start with. Now you will not always be given the loss. Remember, loss is the difference between what you paid for the property, including improvements if they added into the video, and the selling price. The loss itself is not the selling price, it's the difference. So here's how you figure your percentage of loss. If you have a lot that cost you 10 grand and you sold it for $7,500, being less than what you bought it for, so it's a loss of $2,500. It's the difference. Then you'll take that $2,500, divide it into the cost, and that's $10,000 here. That gives us 0.25 or a 25% loss. Now, just like with the percentage of profit, they have another version of this question, and they will give you the percentage and then ask you for the original purchase price. Like this, a lot sold for $10,000, representing a 20% loss, and now we have to find out how much they spent for the property originally. Now with the profit, we took the percentage given to us in the question and we added it to 100, because the 100% is representative of what they spent on the property, or the cost, I was going to say. So if you made money and we added it to 100%, what do you think we're going to do with the percentage if we have a loss? Cue the Jeopardy music. We're going to subtract. So we have a 20% loss here. That means the property is going to be representative of 80% of the value that it was sold for. And then we still do simple division. So $10,000 divided by 0.80 or 0.8 gives us $12,500 as the original cost.